Why traders make losses in intraday trading or day trading? Why it is the most popular form of trading but is probably the number 3 cause of losses for most of the beginners when they get started in stock market trading. We are going to discuss that in today's video. At the end of this video, I am going to share you that one thing which if you start implementing in your trading account, I can assure you that it has the potential to put you on the right path to the consistent profits. So make sure you watch this video till the end. Let's get started. Let's first talk about what is intraday trading or day trading. Intraday trading or day trading is a form of trading where the trader holds his trades or the stocks or the positions for not more than one trading day. That means you buy the stock and you sell the stock on the same day before the market closes. This is called as intraday trading. Now, why it is the most popular form of trading? Because it is promoted in such a way by the people who are actually the beneficiaries of people doing intraday trading. It is promoted in such a way that it is an easy form of trading. You need less capital to begin with, and brokers, they give lots of leverage, sometimes 4x, 4 times or 5 times leverage on your trading capital. So even if you have less capital, you can trade with almost 4 times or 5 times of the money. Another reason that they project is why to carry your positions and why to take unnecessary risks because of the overnight carrying of the positions. Who knows if there is some war or some geopolitical event like earthquake or tsunami, and you will suffer extremely high losses. So in order to avoid that, people tend to think, or they are made to believe, that intraday trading is a safer form of trading and is easier one. But the reality is otherwise. We are going to see that what are the top 6 reasons why people make losses in intraday trading. The reason number 1 is the difficulty level of intraday trading is very high. Trading itself is a tough game, and amongst that and in trading, this intraday trading style is one of the toughest forms of trading. So basically the odds of success are actually stacked against you. The kind of skills which are required for intraday trading, the discipline, the mindset is totally different, and most of the beginners, they lack these things when they begin with. Just imagine playing a video game where there are different levels. Level starts from level 1, which is easy one, and level 10 is the most difficult level. Just imagine what will happen if you start playing the video game at level 10 directly by skipping all the levels. You are bound to lose. Second reason is the frequent stop loss hits on both sides of the market when the market is extremely highly volatile and when there is a lot of noise in the market because of news or certain events. This causes people to lose money on the both sides. Reason number 3, lack of discipline in implementing the trading strategy. And when they see the stock market screen and the prices flashing and continuously moving in front of their eyes, actually taking the decisions in such a highly competitive environment where there is lots of information for the brain to process, it becomes very challenging for the beginners. Reason number 4, the wrong mindset with which people enter in day trading, and that is, I'll make something if I am in the market today and I'll go away with the profits. वो बोलते हैं ना कि मैं मार्केट में आया हूं तो कुछ आज लेके ही जाऊंगा मार्केट से. ये जो माइंडसेट है कि भाई मुझे डेली कुछ ना कुछ पैसा कमाना है मार्केट से, दिस एक्चुअली लीड्स टू डेवलपमेंट ऑफ रॉन्ग हैबिट्स विच आर रिक्वायर्ड फॉर सक्सेस इन ट्रेडिंग. सी, आप मार्केट को फोर्स नहीं कर सकते हो कि मुझे इतना पैसा चाहिए, मेरा इतना कैपिटल है तो मैं आज वो लेके ही जाऊंगा. ऐसे नहीं होता है. दिस डेली वेज मेंटालिटी or daily earning mentality of traders, it leads you to overtrading and revenge trading when your stop losses are hit, which they invariably would do in trading, and this actually causes more losses to the trader. Reason number 5 is the emotional torture and the stress that you experience while doing intraday trading is huge. This leads to your lack of focus and ultimately your brain stops functioning at its best, which is required for optimum performance, and this ultimately leads to you making the wrong decisions in the trading. And last but not the least, reason number 6, these are trading errors. When you lack the focus, when you lack the skills and the discipline, you ultimately, all these factors, they end up taking toll on your health, as well as it leads to more trading errors in your trading account. And when more trading errors are there, you are just that one step away from the trading disaster in your trading account, which can potentially wipe out your entire trading account. So these are the 6 reasons why intraday traders, they lose money over the long run. Now I'm going to share you that practical suggestion. If you start implementing that, you will be profitable in a very fast way in stock market. See, there are 4 outcomes which a trade can experience. Either it is small profits, big profits, small losses, or big losses. These are the only 4 outcomes of any particular trade. Wondered why majority, or I would say the number one cause of why people lost big money in the stock market is because they are not able to control this 4th thing, and that is big losses. If you can avoid big losses in your trading account, you are already won the battle of profitability. I started my journey as an intraday trader. When I was working in a corporate at Chennai, I preferred evening shift. I used to work in the evening shift at that time. What I used to do is I used to work in the morning from 9 to 3:30 in the stock market. I used to do intraday trading, and in the evening 4 to 1 in the night was my office shift. So I can relate to the kind of emotional stress that I have gone through, the kind of losses that I have experienced by doing intraday trading, the kind of health toll that intraday trading took on me was something which made me introspect myself, and I changed completely the way I trade. Right now I do not trade intraday, and I do not recommend also doing intraday trading. I trade in a swing and positional way where I can generate profits with absolute peace of mind, because for me peace of mind is more important. So I hope you found this information useful. If you liked what I shared, please do not forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and share this video with your friends whom you think they can get benefit from this information. I thank you for your time, and I wish you a very happy, safe, and consistently profitable trading journey. This is Deepak Bangar signing off.